which brings us to this year and our new release, iPadOS 14. Let's start with experience. This year, iPadOS delivers unique, made-for-iPad designs that take great advantage of the iPad's large multi-touch display. Now, iPad has always been about the apps. In the beginning, we focused on giving the ecosystem of iPhone apps a larger canvas to deliver new and unique experiences. This quickly sparked an entirely new set of apps designed for iPad first, with immersive experiences that transform this magical sheet of glass into whatever you needed it to be. We're proud of the over 1 million apps on the App Store today designed just for iPad. With customers continuing to push their iPads further than ever before, we're extending the design language of iPad to make apps more streamlined and more powerful. To give you a live look at these enhancements, I'll hand it over to Josh Schaffer.
Thanks, Greg. Let's take a look at some of the enhancements to iPadOS. The first thing that you'll notice are the same redesigned widgets that you saw in iOS 14. They look great on iPad as well, and they give you information at a glance whenever you go home. But let's see some of the improvements in the apps, starting with Photos. iPad is the perfect device for browsing your photos. Its large canvas lets you immerse yourself in all your favorite memories. And this year, we're making it even easier to browse and organize your photos with an all-new sidebar. With just a tap of this button, I can reveal the sidebar with all the core functionality of the app in a single location. My photos remain front and center, but now I can quickly tap to move between parts of the app. The sidebar is a really powerful way to organize your photos too. I can easily drag a photo to the sidebar and then just drop it to add it to an album. We've brought this sidebar to many apps across iPadOS, like Notes, where it provides quick and easy access to all your folders, and Files, where we've consolidated navigation into the sidebar for a streamlined new design. We've also streamlined the toolbars, adding new drop-down menus that consolidate functions into a single, easy-to-access button. I can just tap to change views like this, and for even quicker access, I can just tap and drag to change the sort order, all in a single motion. You'll find the same approach across other apps, like Calendar, where we've brought controls into a single toolbar at the top, providing more space for your content and a single unified place to access all the app's functionality. Finally, Music has been updated to take even better advantage of iPad's large screen. The sidebar in Music makes it easy to move between views. I can quickly jump between the new Listen Now and my playlists. And once I start playing a song, I can bring up the brand new full-screen player where I can see rich album art, transport controls, and lyrics all in one single view. And these are just some of the enhancements that are coming to apps in iPadOS.